The next step in our exterior insulation system is sealing off the bottom of the wall cavities before dense pack insulation can be blown in. So the first step is installing a plywood bottom plate. And then folding the weather barrier down and sealing that off with air seal tape. Staying out of the sun was a little bit tricky, but Bryn was pretty creative with some different props to protect her eyes from the sun as she looked up at the bottom of the wall. Air seal tape does actually play a pretty important role here. We want to make sure we're not creating any drafts going up inside the bottom of the insulation, which would eventually create convection inside the insulation if there were any voids, as well as let insulation blow out during the insulation process. Last part is insulating below doors, pockets that were a little too small to blow in with some rock wool insulation, and then we're done.